Welcome back. In our second video, we're going to look at gradient of lines parallel to x-axis and also parallel to y-axis as well. So, any line parallel to x-axis, this is x-axis and this is the y-axis. A line parallel to x-axis is this line AB. This is a point y, let's say y1. Here is a point x1, x2, meaning A is a point bearing x1, y1. But there is no change in y. Y is always fixed because the line is parallel to x-axis. There is no chance of y to increase. Therefore, here is x2, y1 as well. So this line is parallel to x-axis, and this is how we denote parallel lines. Now the gradient of AB, now the slope, let me write the slope of AB, line AB, is equals to, because slope is usually denoted by m. So therefore, m of the line AB is equals to y2 minus y1 using the formula over x2 minus x1. This is equals to, so y2 is the same thing as y1. So this is y1 minus y1 because there is no y2. x2 minus x1. So I have x2 minus x1. But y1 minus y1 is the same thing as 0 over x2 minus x1. Any value that divides 0, the answer is still 0 because 0 divided by any number is 0. Therefore, the gradient of a line parallel to x-axis is equal to 0. We can conclude that therefore, the gradient of a line parallel to x-axis is equal to 0. Let us look at gradient of a line, lines that are parallel to y-axis. So in this case, the line is like this. Maybe line A, B. This point A, here is y2 because it is the upper point, and this point is y1 as the lower point. So here is x1. There is no chance of x increasing because the line is directly perpendicular to x-axis. And the line is now parallel to y-axis. Therefore, this point is x1, y2. And this point is x1, y1. Therefore, the gradient of the line AB, the slope of the line AB is now equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But this is equals to y2 minus y1, that is the value, x2 minus x1. But x2 in this case is the same thing as x1. So we have x1 minus x1. y2 minus y1 over x1 minus x1. The answer is 0. So anything divided by 0, the answer is not defined, which is always written as undefined. Up to now, there is no machine or calculator that can solve division by 0. So division by 0 is always termed as undefined fraction.